Leadpages versus Clickfunnels, complete comparison. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a key comparison of Leadpages and Clickfunnels. So we're going to be comparing the pros and cons, the basic features, as well as what is going to be best for what type of business. So let's actually jump into both of these platforms and see what we can do with either one of these. Starting off with Leadpages, although a lot of people confuse these two platforms to be very similar, they actually have pretty different core features. So Leadpages is a dedicated landing page builder designed for speed, simplicity, and lead capture. It's ideal for small business owners and solo entrepreneurs who want to create high converting pages without complexity. Now, if we compare this to Clickfunnels, Clickfunnels is a comprehensive sales funnel platform that goes beyond landing pages to include membership sites, email automation, payment processing, and complete sales systems. It's built for marketers and growing businesses needing multi-step funnels. So there are some key differences. If you want a complete sales funnel, then Clickfunnels will be the right tool for you. However, if you're someone that is only looking to build lead capture pages or landing pages, then Leadpages might be the tool for you. So let's go into Leadpages and actually see some of their core features, and then we're going to compare those to Clickfunnels. So signing up on either one of these is very simple. You just proceed and then you start your free trial on either one of these. You can proceed with a yearly free trial, or if you want, you can opt for monthly trials as well. Their monthly pricing is slightly higher than their yearly pricing. So if you do want a good deal, it is better to opt for yearly pricing. And if you want the best deals possible, make sure to click on the description box down below to get our exclusive discounts. So signing up is pretty simple. You sign on up with your email address and that is it. You don't need any payment information or payment when you're starting off. You have a completely free 14-day trial on Leadpages. Now, the core features of Leadpages definitely are going to be within their landing page builders. So we're just going to complete our trial information and then just proceed. Now, once you've completed your basic trial information, you're just going to proceed and answer a couple of questions. So these are our onboarding questions. You can skip these if you want and explore some other templates when you're getting started. And just like so, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Now, within Leadpages, you're going to have a very simple landing page builder. You have several different lead capture tools and conversion optimization with integrations available. So let's say I want to start building with this particular template. So I can proceed over here. I have an intuitive drag and drop editor with over 150 high converting templates. So all I need to do is add my name. Like, let's say this is going to be our Life 360 event. And once we do that, we're just going to proceed. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds. Now, once we do that, we're just going to proceed on, and you guys can see I have different columns. I can click on any element. On the left side, I have my layout, which I can customize from here as well. I can go into sections to add pre-built sections. If I want to move any element, I can simply click on it and then move it. I can edit the text, I can edit the background styles, and I even have a writing assistant that is provided. So it's pretty simple and non-technical for anyone that is looking to get started. Now, another really amazing feature that I like about using Leadpages is that it does have conversion optimization on their Pro plan and higher. So if you are someone that is looking for a tool that allows them to easily test with A/B testing, analytics, mobile optimization, you can do that. And another really great thing is that you have integrations with email marketing tools like ConvertKit, payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, CRMs like Salesforce, and other integrations like Zapier, Facebook ads, and Google Analytics make everything easier. If you go into your basic account, you can even see you have add-ons like lead agents and lead enrichment that you can choose to opt for if those are necessary for your particular needs. However, those are not going to be included in your basic plans. So you have to purchase those as add-ons, which can be a bit expensive for some people. Now, going into Clickfunnels. Now, Clickfunnels is very different, and personally, I do prefer Clickfunnels when it comes to creating funnels, simply because it is a complete tool. It gives me all the features that I need without having to pay extra. You can click on Try Clickfunnels for free and proceed with your free 14-day trial. You don't need to pay for anything, just enter your name and then enter your email address. Once you do that, you're going to proceed. And after that, we're just going to go on ahead and then enter our information. So I'm just going to complete my information and then proceed. Now, just like so, we are proceeding on with our trial, and you guys can see they have a very simple basic strategy. So we're just going to check out as a guest for now. And you guys can see there are some upsells that you can opt for, but this is completely optional if you do want to proceed with those particular upsells. And I'm just going to proceed with these sessions without the sessions for now. And then we're just going to move on to the next step and set up our workspace. So we're just going to click on continue over here. You can customize your subdomain. You can add which category you relate to the most, and then just click on continue. Once you do that, you're just going to be moving forward. And I have some ideas. And now we're just going to click on continue, answer these basic onboarding questions. And then we have our dashboard. Now within our dashboard, we have a sales funnel builder with complete drag and drop funnel templates. We also have over 100 pre-designed funnels by type. So whether it's a squeeze funnel, tripwire, webinar, product launch, everything is available in the form of a template. Now, let's just say that I want to go into funnels over here. Once I go into funnels, I can start from scratch if that is something that I want to do. If that is something that you want to do, you can do that as well. But I am someone that wants to maybe use their smart funnel builder. So all I do is select the type of funnel that I want to build. Let's say this is going to be a summit, okay? And then I want to opt for a color and a style. This is usually just going to be in accordance with your brand. Let's say I want to go with this really nice rust color. Now, after that, I can proceed and start adding any of the highlight colors, all of the, the entire color palette. You can add that. You can add the style if you want it to be rounded, colorful, or blocky. I'm going to opt for rounded. Once I do that, I'm just going to go into images. I can add any of my relevant type of content if I want to use stock, flat, or isometric 3D images. Then I'm going to go into next, and then I can add further details and then click on create. And just like so, all of my steps will be automated and simple for me to use. Now, the next thing that I really like is their complete sales system with landing pages and opt-in pages, with sales pages and order forms, upsell and downsell pages. So this makes everything really organized. You have a separate section to organize the customers and the products, the inventory, and you even have a learn and connect section where you can opt for training courses, private community, and their knowledge-based systems. You can have integrated checkout with different payment support such as Stripe, PayPal, and Authorize.net. And you even have A/B testing on all pages. So this is not a feature reserved for only your landing page, with domain registration and hosting available. So when it comes to experience, I would say that Leadpages is good because it has a minimal learning curve and you have a quick and clear way for you to get started with building a landing page. Clickfunnels, on the other hand, is significantly designed to boost your customization options and to give you more features with the ability to launch not only just a landing page, but a complete funnel. It's an all-in-one platform and it has a ability to simplify everything because you're going to be doing it all in Clickfunnels. So when it comes to pricing, both are pretty neck on neck. When it comes to just general pricing, when it comes to pricing based on features. So I would say that both are good, but if you want a complete tool, Clickfunnels is the tool for you if you're a marketer or entrepreneur. But if you're someone that is a beginner and you only want to build a landing page, then Leadpages is the tool for you. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.